Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Today marks day number 2 of the 12 days of Toolmas. Today's topic, we have Milwaukee Gen 3. Now guys, this is my favorite toolkit. If you got this for one of your loved ones, your family members, they would be ecstatic. So the kit that I got last year that my wife bought me comes with the Gen 3 impact driver, model 2853-20. Comes with the hammer drill driver. I can't talk, it's super cold out. Hammer drill driver, model 2804-20. I got these two with two 5 amp hour batteries. Came in a pack out kit. But in mine, it came with foam inside. It didn't come with these sweet trays. I ordered these trays online at Acme Tools, and it was like $7 for all 4 of them. Super good deal. You have the top tray like this. The bottom deeper tray has 3 dividers, which I keep the handle for my drill in there. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know how the drill works. It has a really nice handle. Screws right on the top. Love this freaking drill. It's so small and compact. On this side here has 2 more boxes. This one folds up. Has 4 compartments in it. I keep some Sawzall blades. I got some Milwaukee axe blades in there. Some Bosch specialty bits and the belt clip. Then on the bottom, another large compartment. I keep my Milwaukee screwdrivers, some of those in there. We'll do a full review on my Milwaukee pack-out kit at a later date. So the set came with this, with a styrofoam insert, standard charger, 2 5s, the hammer drill, and the impact for $2.99. My wife got me this last year. Phenomenal. I use it constantly. So this is the medium size, the small toolbox. You got the big one. You got the big one that's like this. Then you have the main box. Then you have that one. Then you have your small little dividers. I'm not really going to go too much into these tools, guys, but if you get this kit for anybody in your family, I guarantee they will love it. If not, you can cuss me out. This is by far the most powerful impact driver on the market, guys. You've seen the videos, you've seen all my head-to-heads. This beats them all, smokes them, no problem. Super light, I don't even know what else to say. It has a 14 position clutch, plus it has drill mode and then hammer mode. Here's hammer mode. Standard drill mode. It has an electronic. So you know when I showed you the 12 volt, it goes. This just cuts out, and it also has ramp up. Hear how it goes from slow to high? Or if you have it on drill mode, it's just straight high. There you go. For day number 11, my pick, guys, is the Milwaukee Gen 3 kit. Retail is right now, I think it's right around $300-400. I'm not exactly sure. I'll put links down below to Home Depot, even though I'm not affiliated with Home Depot. Maybe if I can find it on Amazon, I'll pop the Amazon links down below, guys. If you buy anything through the links, it helps out the channel. Don't forget, there's a donate button if you want to donate, help out the channel. Also, don't forget, smash the like button, guys. Hit the notification bell so you get every video every day. So ho, 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 day number 2. My true love gave to me a pack out box with Milwaukee Gen 3. Alright guys, it's getting late. It's freaking freezing here in Minnesota. Stick around for tomorrow, day number 3. You're not going to want to miss it. Until next time, have a blessed night. See ya.